JSW Cement is participating in this exhibition in 3 different places. First one was at Madras, second one was at Coimbatore, and second one is Hyderabad, and third one is at Coimbatore. Look, this is a building exhibition, and what we are selling is also related to the building industry. We would like to use this forum to educate people as to what are the best construction practices and the best cement one can use while building a house. It's an emotional, I would say, it's an emotional part of one's involvement in building a house, which we are trying to capture and which we are trying to educate people by telling them that if you use the right cement, then the house which you construct will have a long-lasting life, and it will give you a fantastic aesthetics. Main motto of this, to participate, is to make people aware that first of all we are producers of PSC cement. We produce another product called GGBS, which are 2 building product materials, which is available eco-friendly, which helps the home buyer to produce or to make a house which withstands a lot of today's conditions, like especially sulfate resistance, acidic attack. You have problems with respect to salinity of water. It helps you to make a house which is long lasting, endurance. So all these properties put together, we would like to tell the customer that when you buy a JSW cement, you are buying a product which assures you of strength, quality as well as longevity. JSW cement speciality is an eco-friendly cement, what I said. And this particular cement helps you to address the needs of today's aggressive environment which we have. You have in most other places shortage of water. When you use cement, you require water for curing. This particular cement requires very less water for curing. It gives you a very high strength at the late stages. It gives you more strength than what other cements can give. It can withstand chemical attacks. You have a lot of CO2 in the atmosphere. It's able to withstand the attack of the CO2 in the atmosphere. So all those things put together, this particular cement gives you a better durability.